coming back at the end of the video.
He's taking over.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, so remember how we said we'd have a science experiment for you? That was supposed to be yesterday, but we were really busy with his homework, so
Yeah.
sorry about that. But we are not failing you because we brought it here today for you. There are a few ingredients you are going to need for this one, and you probably have it all at home. Before I start, do you want to tell them what kind of piqued our interest in this?
All right. So, we were just learning about density, which is say there's an object like really heavy and compact, like squeezed together. That means it has a high density. Whereas if it has a low density, then it's not compact and it's usually light.
Oh, so it's not as heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we found that really interesting. So we decided to take two liquids, water and vegetable oil, which have a different density, and mix them together and make a lava lamp.
Ooh, a homemade lava lamp. How exciting. So, some of the ingredients you'll need is, yes, vegetable oil, a jar of water. I'm hoping we didn't fill it too high.
And,
We'll find out.
Usually you're going to want a cap on the jar.
So maybe like a water bottle.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what happens with this. This is completely raw and unedited, and I think it's important to say that, right?
Yeah.
We have not done this before, so our experiment is also your experiment. Also, you'll need one color, food coloring. I brought out 3 colors because I couldn't decide. There's pink, green, and orange. I'll let Ben pick.
Let's do pink.
Oh, cool. I thought you were going to say green. I don't know why. All right, so pink it is. So we have a bottle of water. Make sure it's not filled too high. That might be too high. We'll find out.
About below halfway.
Probably. We'll find out, huh?
Yeah.
A bottle of vegetable oil. You're not going to need a whole bunch. Hold up the next ingredient.
All right.
Pink food coloring.
Yep.
And the
Vegetable
last
oil.
one is an antacid. Now, the name brand for this is called Alka-Seltzer, and you only need 1 pack. There's a lot of packs in here, as you can see. You only need 1. It's called Alka-Seltzer, but Mrs. Mejia buys the Kroger brand. You can buy the cheaper knockoff brand. It will do the same thing, and it's just an antacid, pain relief for stomach, so it gets rid of the sour stomach that you might have. So, again, vegetable oil, your antacid tablets, pink food coloring,
any kind of food coloring, and a jar of half-filled water.
Okay, so what do we do first?
First thing we're going to do is take the vegetable oil and fill it up throughout the rest of the bottle to, like, right there. And while I pour it, you're going to notice that the two don't mix because they have a different density. Watch.
Whoa!
Yeah.
What is happening?
So, the water is actually separating from the vegetable oil, and they're not, like, they're touching, but they're not mixing together because they have a different density.
Very true. You can see that the oil just sits at the top of the water.
Yeah, because the oil has water has a greater density than oil. So, the oil is going to go on top of the water because it's lighter. Yeah.
Okay. I think that might be enough. I'm a little bit nervous. Let's just stop for now.
Okay.
And then the next ingredient, can I pour this one?
Yeah.
Because pink is one of my favorite colors. The next ingredient will be a couple drops of food coloring. And this just changes the color of your food. So if you were making a cake, you can put some food coloring in the cake and change it to a different color. Now, what is happening here, do you think, Ben?
So we're just gonna like color the water with the vegetable oil, and it'll give the lava lamp color when we fizz it up.
Oh,
Like
but what do you think is happening with this food coloring? Look at that. That's beautiful.
So the food coloring is mixing with the water because,
Probably have similar
yeah, they
densities.
have similar densities.
Okay. And here comes the fun part.
Okay, how do
This
I open this?
is where the action happens.
So I have to
Now
open
that
this.
package, you might have to actually like tear it. Just tear it open like this. There's 2 tablets.
We're gonna need one, right?
I think we need 2. One for you, one for me. All right, you first.
Oh, it's colored.
It is. And
All right.
notice that the oil is still sitting at the top in its own layer.
Yeah.
Do you notice that the food coloring did not mix with the oil? It's kind of stayed separate, huh?
Yeah.
Okay,
All right. Ready, guys?
I'm ready. My turn.
Ooh.
What's
It's
happening?
fizzing.
I want to get this closer so that they can see what is happening. Here comes our homemade lava lamp. Do you see all the bubbles happening? The fizzing?
I think we might need more vegetable oil for bubbles.
Go, dude. Knock yourself out. Wow, you're right. I was wrong. Way more food coloring and way more vegetable oil. It's kind of pretty, isn't it?
I have an idea. How about we try to mix the food colorings?
All right, go up. There's a green. I wonder what. Ooh, yeah, look at the oil it's doing here.
Yeah. Making bubbles.
Now,
Put in some.
I think it's kind of beautiful. What do you think?
Couple drops
I
of
feel
green
like being
over
a real scientist, I almost feel like we need lab coats.
here. Yeah. Whoa.
Wow, that's so cool. You see that, guys?
That's awesome.
What do you think? Should I do one more tablet?
Another, do it.
I'm scared.
It's a black lava lamp.
I'm scared. Whoa, that's what the
Whoa.
problem was. I think because we probably have way more water in it and not enough antacid. That's cool. Do you see that?
So cool. Oh no! It's gonna fizz out! It's gonna fizz out!
Oh!
Volcano.
Oh, volcano!
Oh, it's dripping everywhere.
Oh no! Should we do one more? No one said that this was a it doesn't smell, it's just water. No one said this was going to be a clean. Oh, dude, it got all over Ben's pants. Stand up so the kids can see. No one said this was a clean project, right? A clean experiment.
So, when you do this, you might want to put in less antacids than we did. But we're still going to experiment and put some more in. Because why not?
Okay, get ready.
And usually if you have a cap, you could just shake it up and it'll start fizzing again.
I'm really nervous.
Is it going to explode
Here it
again?
comes.
Is it going to explode?
You're mopping the floor, not me.
Hey. Oh,
Whoa.
staying up top.
Whoa. Ooh, it didn't. We got lucky.
Yep.
Okay, one more just because.
Don't do it.
Don't?
We gotta wait for it to load.
I say do it.
Okay.
I'm ready. I need some excitement in my life. I'm over this quarantine. Here we go.
Okay, it's going up. It's going up.
Whoa. You know what this is reminding me of?
Let's just like wrap it and put them in.
You know what this is reminding me of?
Huh.
Diet Coke in my stomach. The bubbles, the fizz and the carbonation.
Like you just shake it up and take off the cap.
Okay, last one,
Okay,
Ben.
last one. Ooh. It's gonna fizz. It's gonna fizz.
Oh! So cool.
I think
Although-
this is our best one yet.
I do too. But we didn't really get to see
What's going on down here?
what's going on
I
down
put,
here.
Like, I think I put way too much green food coloring. It's one of the darker colors.
So
So
maybe
usually
next time,
when you guys do it, you might need a lighter food coloring. Or you could just do a dark one and only put like 3 drops in.
maybe the problem is too that we mix the colors,
Maybe.
instead of sticking with one.
Yeah.
But needless to say, I think that was kind of fun. It
was
added
really
some
cool,
excitement
yeah.
to my life. I hope it added some to yours, at least to your morning. Do you think it went well?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
Went really well.
I hope you
Oh,
guys
look.
enjoyed it. It's pretty neat. And look at the oil is still on the top. It still hasn't mixed with the water.
Yeah.
Oil and water don't go together.
The
They like
water
to
is,
stay
all
separate.
black.
Okay, my friends, so let's not forget. You have vegetable oil, you need a jar of water, food coloring, and antacids.
Oh,
Or
and also,
Alka-Seltzer.
preferably a nice mat to do it on.
like
a towel, yeah.
A towel to clean up in case you are like us and you're messy, right?
Yeah.
I hope you
on the floor right now.
You don't even want to see the floor. But don't worry, I'll have Ben mop that up.
Hey.
I hope you enjoyed that science experiment. Ben and I had fun. I hope you did too. And tune in tomorrow where we will go on a Zoom together and maybe do a directed draw. Okay? I hope you enjoyed that, campers. I will see you soon. It's a mess. Bye.